Good day, I'm Clarence Mendoza and I pick SM Supermalls. SM Supermalls was pioneered by Henry C., a Chinese-Filipino businessman whose roots traces back to Fujian. C opened his first shoe store in Quiapo in 1948 and later the first store under the Shoe Mart SM name in 1958 along Carriedo. In 1972, Shoe Mart turned into a full-line department store. SM Supermall is one of Southeast Asia's biggest developers and operator of 85 malls in the Philippines, 8 malls in China, with an average foot traffic of 4.2 million daily in the Philippines, 300,000 in China, and over 20,000 tenant partners. SM Supermalls provide family fun experiences as it partners with the best-loved brands and events. SM Supermall is owned by SM Prime Holdings Incorporation, a publicly listed company and is one of the largest integrated property developers in Southeast Asia. SM Supermall's vision and mission. SM Supermalls aim to become Asia's most popular mall chain through constant innovation and partnership with the world's best retailers. We provide the family fun mall experiences that makes every day better for all. Together with our partners and employees, we commit to a better quality of life for the communities we serve by supporting programs and activities that are socially responsible and environmentally sustainable. Main areas where business analytics is applied to the chosen sector. Sale forecasting. Sale forecasting, predicting future sales based on historical data, seasonal trends, and market conditions. Inventory management, analyzing stock levels and turnover rates to optimize inventory, reduce holding costs, and avoid stockouts or overstock situations. Pricing strategy, analyzing competitor pricing, demand elasticity, and consumer behavior to optimize pricing and promotions. Marketing effectiveness, measuring the impact of marketing campaigns on sales and customer engagement to refine future strategies. Sale forecasting, data analysis. SM Supermarket uses historical sales data, market trends, and seasonality to create accurate sales forecasts. They employ statistical models and machine learning techniques to analyze this data. Impact. This helps the supermarket predict demand for various products, enabling better planning for inventory, staffing, and promotional campaigns. For example, they may anticipate higher sales for specific items during holidays or back-to-school seasons. Inventory sales. Real-time analytics. SM Supermarket employs real-time analytics tools to monitor stock levels, sales velocity, and turnover rates. This allows them to adjust order dynamically based on actual demand. Automated replenishment with predictive analytics. The supermarket can automate the replenishment process, ensuring that popular items are restocked before running out, thus reducing waste and improving customer satisfaction. Pricing strategy, competitive analysis. SM Supermarket uses analytics to monitor competitor pricing and assess market demand elasticity. This data helps them optimize pricing strategies to maximize revenue. Dynamic pricing. They may implement dynamic pricing models that adjust prices based on inventory levels, demand, and competitor pricing, enabling them to respond swiftly to market changes and enhance profitability. Marketing effectiveness. Campaign analysis. By analyzing sales data before and after marketing campaigns, SM Supermarket evaluates the effectiveness of different promotion and advertising strategies. They track metrics such as customer engagement and sales lift. Customer targeting. Business analytics enables the supermarket to segment customers based on shopping behavior and preferences, allowing for personalized marketing efforts. For example, tailored promotions can be sent to loyalty program members, boosting response rates and overall effectiveness. How does business analytics improve organizational efficiency of your chosen business? With business analytics applied for SM Supermarket, it can achieve its full potential having a good outcome. What types of data are commonly used in business analytics for your chosen business? Structured data plays a crucial role in the operation of SM Supermarket. By organizing information in a predefined format, making it easily accessible and analyzable. Some key uses of structured data in the supermarket are sales analysis, customer relationship management, reporting and compliance, e-commerce integration, marketing campaign. How can your chosen business ensure data quality in their analytics processes? To ensure data quality, SM Supermarket can implement data governance framework. This is outline policies for data management, including ownership, access, and usage guidelines. They can also implement data validation and verification to utilize automated tools to validate during entry, checking errors, duplicates, and inconsistencies. They can also implement monitoring and reporting to define and tracks the key performance indicators related to data quality such as accuracy, completeness, and timeliness. By implementing these strategies, SM Supermarket can ensure high data quality in its analytic processes, leading to better insights, improved decision making, and enhanced overall performance. How can your chosen business measure the ROI of your analytics initiatives? First one is to define clear objectives. SM Supermarket should set specific goals. Also, to track performance over time, after implementing analytics initiatives, continuously track the same KPIs, key performance indicators over time to access changes and improvements. Also, need a regular reporting like developing a dashboard that can display ROI metrics and KPIs in real time for ongoing monitoring and evaluation. Feedback and continuous improvements are important to collect feedback from employees and customers on the effectiveness of analytics initiatives to assess qualitative benefits. And that's all. Thank you.